Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create presentations using Gamma. So let's get started. Now first, you're going to go to gamma.app and create a free account. Once you're logged in, simply create a new with AI. Then from here, you want to choose generate and select presentation as your format. You'll now have to describe what you want your presentation to be about. So be clear and specific. But there are also example prompts here that you can choose from. So let's say this one. Then once you're done, simply click generate outline. Now, instead of starting from blank slides, Gamma instantly turns your idea into a clean, structured presentation outline. And once the outline is ready, you can customize everything. You can let AI automatically distribute your content across cards or switch card to card mode if you want more control. You can also ask AI to make the content shorter, expand certain sections, or add more detail, and without rewriting everything manually. Now, when you're done, simply click generate right over here. Now, Gamma also generates visuals that match your content, so you don't have to search for images separately. Next, you want to choose a theme. So click this, edit a theme, and then you can pick from modern professional designs or upload your own brand colors, fonts, and logo. The layout automatically adapts so you're not constantly fixing alignment issues. And then for editing, you want to use this insert menu to quickly add layouts, images, charts, or diagrams. Everything adjusts automatically. You can even use Gamma's AI agent. So just type in what you want change and it handles the edits for you. And when you're done, you want to click share at the top right over here to generate a link, export in popular formats, or publish directly to LinkedIn. You can even export specific sections only. And basically, that's it. With Gamma, you spend less time struggling with design and more time focusing on your ideas. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!